We talked in the past, Will, about the nightmare that happens at Apple stores when you try to buy something.
Yeah.
Like, it's just, who do I pay? What am I doing? Do they even want me in here?
Yeah, it's very confusing.
Is there a cash register? Am I welcome? Am I cool enough?
Do I go to the back? Oh, no, they're geniuses.
They don't. They're too smart.
Yeah.
They're too smart to talk to you. They're geniuses. So you can't talk to them. So anyway, they fired the individual in charge of the retail segment of retail experience, and they're kind of going more traditional. They're trying to fix it up. They're trying to make it a little more predictable, kind of what you would expect in a retail experience. And they're moving to some changes to prioritize a straightforward shopping experience. This is reported on 9 to 5 Mac. And they've got some images as well, showcasing the phones laid out with the specs and the prices right below. So you don't even necessarily have to find somebody to talk to. And there's a few other examples of this as far as streamlining the experience. They've also gone ahead and set up an express checkout line, which is labeled and obvious. And that will allow you to pay for anything you can grab, any accessory, in an express fashion without needing to find the person who can get the thing for you, which is sort of understandable for a laptop. But it was the most frustrating if you had like a cable or an adapter or something. And then you're like, I got to talk to the same person who's trying to sell Apple Care to the other person over there.
I remember they did that a couple years ago during Christmas season, where they had like a booth designated for express.
But the
shopping.
express checkout had it had the items sitting there behind, and then you would go, okay, I want that, and this is going to be permanent for accessories, anything you can grab off the shelf. So, but there's a few other changes as well that are illustrated here in these photos. The watch section laying out the various band options and having everything very accessible. So hopefully this rolls out in multiple stores. They can kind of fix the frustrating experience. It's not just us who are frustrated, by the way. I mean, there have been various questionnaires and polls and whatnot. And I think people are frustrated with the Apple Store experience. It's not just us, Will. The last time we talked about it, you saw in the comment section, people they're sick of the geniuses. They're sick of all this town hall, town square. You know, they're just, can we just call it a store? Can I just check out? Can I move on with my life? Do we need all the fanfare here? So anyway, this is the first step in that direction. It's going to be rolling out at more stores. It's starting here with this one. This store featured in this article, I believe, it's in Union Square. Oh, yeah, limited to the iPhone tables at Apple Union Square. So anyway, it's going to go everywhere. I like it. Honestly, Will, I spoke about this in the past. There are times where I want to buy something. I wish it was just a vending machine. Yeah. I know that sounds crazy, but like if there was just a vending machine in the mall or in a public location, an easily accessible location that had like accessories or something. I needed a cable. I need a sleeve for a laptop, some AirPods. Just tap it in, pop, scan the thing, the card. I'm on my way. Zero interaction. Robotic, Japan, Akihabara District, Blade Runner, Cyberpunk 2077.
Apple likes that human connection.
Do they?
You know?
Do they? Because they don't speak to you like a human. They don't come over there. They come over there like the whole cult vibe. Hey there,
yeah.
You know. Oh, right. You mean for the Genius Bar? Yeah. Everything good with you there, bro? Hey, bro.
That's very loud.
Hey, bro, can I, what do you need?
You're spitting on me.
Whoa. Jeez. I don't know. I mean, they're friendly. And look, it's not like other brands have offered up a better experience. Certainly if you, like, I feel like I haven't covered this enough, but if you got a busted laptop, like let's say this Lenovo breaks or an HP or something, like where are you even going? What are you doing? You call 1-800, they're like, we'll send you a box. But
make sure you label it.
They're like, don't worry, it's going to have a label on it. And like that's, so you're supposed to be happy with that. You're supposed to be like, I feel great. They have to send me a label. I feel so well taken care of. It's like, nah, man, that's not very confidence inspiring. To know there's a face and you can walk in, there's something to that. There's some sort of confidence that comes with that. And so I'm glad the Apple Store exists, but like everything else, there are ways to improve it. And I think they're moving in that direction now. That's good news.